Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. In case you're new here, thank you so much for coming to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video today. So as the title says, I'm just comparing the Chanel 24 karat gold plated chain to the ones they do nowadays. So this is a vintage Chanel bag from 1995, which I got last year. I have a few videos about this bag on my channel. So I'll just show you what it looks like. I've got something inside to keep the shape. So this is the chain, and as you can see, it's really very yellow. I'm actually using natural light so you can see exactly how it looks. So this is the gold plated 24 karat gold plated chain that Chanel used to do, I think from 1995 when they started doing Chanel bags up till I think it was 2008 they stopped doing that. So this is how yellow it looks. And then I've got a recent purchase as well from Fashion File, which I'm going to show you. This is also a gold. This also has gold hardware, but as you can see, the difference is there's such a huge difference. I'll just bring out the chain so you can see. This is the Chanel Trendy CC Mini, and this one is in lilac. So I got this from Fashion File. It was more or less new, in excellent condition. It was a 2020 bag. See how different it is. Let's look at the difference between the chains. It's just so different. You'd be forgiven for thinking that this is silver, but this is actually gold. It's gold as well. And when you compare it to the 24 karat gold, you can just see the difference. So that's why most people like to buy the vintage ones, because it's good to have this vintage one. It's really nice. The gold, it just makes such a difference. It's an evening bag. I can't wear this as an everyday bag because it's really quite out there. And it's also gold, as I said, but you could also, the good thing about this one is you could wear it with other hardware. You could wear it with silver jewelry. You could wear this with silver jewelry because of the fact that it doesn't really look gold. But one of the reasons why I decided to talk about these chains is because Chanel keep increasing their prices, but then they keep stopping things that they used to do before. So I feel that if they want to just keep increasing their prices, they should bring back the option of the gold hardware so that people can have a choice. You know, you might choose to get this one because people prefer understated things. I would prefer to have both actually, and that's why I have both. I was going to sell this one before, but because I bought it from Fashion File, by the time it came to UK, the import tax was just too high for me to be able to afford to sell it, because then I'll just be selling it above retail. But yeah, it was a really good offer I saw on Fashion File. So guys, yeah, these are the chains. I mean, you can see the difference, how different they are, you know. So I feel that Chanel have really actually reduced their quality, you know, and I do think that people should have a choice of if they want the gold plated or not. And if they want to keep increasing their prices, almost every quarter now, guys, that they increase their prices. Yeah, so that's just it anyway, just a quick video to just show you the comparison, because when I got this bag, I just couldn't believe how different they were. Yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll link my other videos below in case you want to watch them, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I do videos about hair, beauty, occasional luxury video like this one, and lifestyle, so there'll always be something interesting for you to watch on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.